Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to read English workbook page number 40. Match the picture to the relevant beginning sound. First we have revised this letter. Which letter is this? S. S. A. T. E. P. N. Again. S. A. T. E. P. N. Okay, now match the picture. Which picture is this? Star, and the sound is S. Where is S? This is S. Match. This is aeroplane, and the sound is A. And the sound is A. S match. This is parrot, and the sound is P. Where is P? This is P. This is igloo. This is igloo, and the sound is E. Where is E? This is E. This is nest, and the sound is N. And the sound is N. Where is N? This is N. Which picture is this? This is tree, and the sound is T. And the sound is st. Where is T? This is T. Match. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.